So let's take a look at exactly how I'm going to do this. What I could do is use this gap. I could somehow sneak this in here, whether it be lift this up a little bit, cut it in half, and slide it in. But what I'm going to end up doing is cutting this and giving plenty of room for this floor to move around. And if I install this just like it is, it would be hanging out way over here, and I want this to be hidden under the door, kind of like this, at least behind where the door closes to. I don't mind seeing this from the hallway. It's 2 inches wide, so you're gonna see it somewhere. I'd rather see it in the hallway here than from the inside of the bedroom, but that is a total preference. But the other reason is because when you hold it right here, it's going to be a little trickier to notch around this trim. So if I hold it back like this, I'll only have one notch on each side, and I think it'll be an easier install and a cleaner look. I'm going to hold this here, make sure there's a little room between this and the floor, and then I'm going to mark this here, making sure that my piece is going to cover that line, because I am going to cut this flooring back so I can attach this strip. Now you might be thinking you can just attach this directly on top of the floor and then snap this piece in and you're all set. But the thing about that is, not only is it not all the way down right here, see how it's a little rocky, but you also don't want to attach this with fasteners through the floor, because you need this floor to move around. It's a floating floor. So I have my mark here. I'm going to make the same mark on the other side and cut this floor back. That mark. So I'm going to make sure this is the same on both sides. It's a half inch here. I'll see if this gap is going to be the same. A little stronger than 1.25 inches, a little stronger than 1.25 inches. Now I cut a straight piece of scrap wood. I'll hold it here so I can make a mark. And that is what I'm going to cut out very carefully. And I have about 1/4 inch from the end of this to here and the end of this to here. And I have room here for the floor to move around in between this piece. So I think I'm good. My old trusty tool.